In this video, you will learn how to add a row to a table in Microsoft Word. Begin by clicking inside any cell within the table where you want to add a new row. Next, right-click your mouse. A context menu will appear with several options. Now, hover your mouse over the Insert option. This will reveal additional choices specifically for adding rows. You'll see two primary options here: Insert Rows Above and Insert Rows Below. If you choose Rows Above, it will insert a new row directly above the selected cell. If you select Rows Below, as demonstrated here, a new row is inserted below your current selection. It's that simple. Now let's explore another quick and easy way to add rows without using the right-click menu. First, click outside of the table next to any existing cell. Then, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action automatically inserts a new row. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.